Express Controller User Guide, presented by Minleon International, your provider of cutting-edge LED lighting products. Table of Contents. Introduction, Specs and Features, Typical Layout, Test Mode, Setting DMX Start Address, Connecting to a DMX Network, Adding RGB Elements from a PC, Fault Diagnosis, Questions, and Resources. The Minleon Express is a 16-channel, 16-output, 110-volt AC dimming control board. Control various lighting and equipment, such as Minleon LED replacement bulbs, non-RGB drip tubes, strings, and strobe lights, via PC using DMX-capable sequencing software, like Minleon's Lightshow Pro. Note, the Express is not designed to control 3-channel DC-powered RGB lights, but serves a purpose as an accessory in many medium to large light design systems. Specifications and features. Incorporate RGB and non-RGB light components. 16 110-volt AC dimmable outputs. 20 amps max load per board. 2 amps max load per channel. Built-in test mode and channel LED indicators. Works on industry standard DMX. Connect controllers together in a network. Settable DMX start address. DMX signal splitter. IP.C weatherproof enclosure, and a 20 amp fuse protector. Express controller typical layout. At the bottom left of the diagram, you'll find the computer running DMX-capable software. That connects to a DMX dongle through a Cat5/6 cable into the DMX input of the Express controller. Then you connect your lights to the light outputs and have the option to connect a second Express through the first Express DMX out port into the second's DMX in port. Test mode. How to test lights without a computer. Press the mode button on the Express until the digital display shows the symbol TST. Press the select button. Digits in the digital display will light in a circular pattern for a second, and then each of the 16 channels will light. After a single flash, LED 2 and LED 4 will remain lit. If you have a DMX signal, then LED 3 will also remain lit. The lights connected to the controller will turn off and on with the internal LED channels. Setting your DMX address. If we wanted to use the Minleon Express from channel 49 to 64, we would set the controller's starting address at channel 49. To do this, power the Express on and view the controller's current start address on the display. To change, press mode twice to program. Press select to increment channel numbers. Press mode to set the next number. As the display is set where the left digit will change the 100th number, the center will change the 10th, and the right digit is the single number. Press mode when your address is correct. Connecting to a DMX network. Connect to a DMX device outputting industry standard DMX 512. DMX LED number 3 will light upon receiving a signal. Connect a second Minleon Express or other DMX device to the DMX out port. Split the DMX signal to connect an additional Express or additional DMX device. Adding RGB elements from a PC. At the bottom left of this diagram, find the computer running DMX software. The computer connects via USB cable to a DMX dongle onto a Cat5 cable to the Express. From the RJ45 jack, an Ethernet cable is run through a network switch to run the NDBs with the RGB lights. Fault diagnosis. Use these recommendations if there are no lights on the controller, or if there's no DMX signal, or if the lights do not come on at all. Questions and resources. Please visit minleonusa.com or email reggie@minleonusa.com and reference this presentation. We encourage you to view these related tutorials, the Network Effects Controller Overview, and the NDB User Guide. Thank you for your interest in Minleon RGBs.